whispers on the hill of kings, ash and ember, ancient rings. Through the mist the old fire burns, Tara waits, and memory returns. On the stones where high kings stood, blood and oath in sacred wood, echoes drift through heathered air. Names forgotten linger there under moon and ravens cry. Silver clouds across the sky, footsteps fade but spirits stay, guarding night from break of day. Hear the calling soft and low from 1,000 years ago. In the earth and in the flame, Tara whispers every name. Shadows of Tara rise from the stone, carry the voices the wind has known. Through fire and sorrow, through battle and scar, Island remembers who we are. Shadows of Tara, ancient and far, under the same eternal star.
Warriors bound by iron blade, promises in darkness made, golden torques and crimson skies, truth behind the druids' eyes.
Sacred wells and standing flame, every loss and every name, buried deep yet beating still, in the heart of Tara's hill. Oh, spirit soul, awaken now from broken sword and fallen crown. Let the harp of ages ring, let the ancient memories sing. Through the veil where time is thin, past and present woven in, ash to oak and bone to star, we are who our stories are. Shadows of Tara rise from the stone, carry the voices the wind has known. Through fire and sorrow, through battle and scar, our land remembers who we are. Shadows of Tara, burning afar, light in the dark of who we are. On the hill the embers glow, what was lost still walks below. Tara breathes in silent sky,